Today kicks off the first day of CES 2018, and Alcatel's given us a new lineup of phones. Well, they didn't actually give us anything, but rather previewed 3 new phones from their upcoming series lineup. The company will introduce the lineup as an addition, not replacement to the idle phone series. The Alcatel 1, 3, and 5 series will all be set at different price points, but will share high-end features like 18:9 displays and face unlocking. While pricing hasn't been announced yet, the 3 series could be the most interesting contender at the right price. Specs haven't been nailed down yet either, but as promised, an 18:9 display is employed. Top and bottom bezels are still prominent though. Display technology hasn't been made official, but the unit did have a nice, vibrant screen. Utilizing a unibody construction, the threeeee has a shiny metal back, where you'll also find the fingerprint sensor and dual cameras. Yep, dual cameras are present on this mid-tier offering. Arranged vertically, the threeee's cameras may set it apart from the 1 and 5 series in a real and significant way. But alas, performance will be a big factor in its importance. Face unlocking will also be integrated. The 3 series, along with the rest of Alcatel's lineup, will be detailed further at Mobile World Congress. Until then, we can only speculate on pricing and availability, but it seems that the right price could put these devices in a position to steal some fans. But it remains to be seen how many of those will be stolen from Alcatel's idle series or its competitors. I'm Corey Gaskin with PhoneArena. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more coverage of CES 2018.